Paris 2 ay may letters, tapos parang may acronym. Ang tawag sa ganung... Okay?
Uy!
Okay, everybody, let us listen because this is very alarming. Okay, not for everyone, but also for ourselves. That's why we are experiencing modalities like you have the asynchronous and the face-to-face. Okay, so hindi kayo naka-full face-to-face na yun. Nakuha nyo because of the rising heat index. Okay, mamaya, nag-delete ka dyan, yung mga pambelo mo, mga safeguard mo sabon, yung mga kojic mo sabon, masasayang. Hindi ka, sunog ang balat mo. Magkapa-self-board ka pa? Okay. Go, go, go.
What a pleasant morning to each and everyone. We are
Hindi
the
pleasant.
So now we will show you how to manage the rising heat index. But before that, what is heat index? The heat index, also known as the apparent temperature, is the temperature feels like to the human body when relative humidity is combined with the air. So now we will show you what are the ways to manage the rising heat index. Number 1.
Planting trees to provide shade.
Turn off and unplug any unused appliances.
Avoid staying in the sun, especially from 11 a.m. to 3 a.m. when the heat is at its highest.
Rest in cool place and loosen clothing.
Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated.
Vacuum with the ice and cooling blankets.
Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is also advisable to prevent heat-related diseases.
Use an umbrella, half hat, or anything as a shield when going out.
Pursuing energy efficiency to reduce demand on the electricity grid, especially during heat waves.
And that would be all. Thank you.